girl, Miss Zuki, and welcome back to my channel. So today is... Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl, Miss Zuki, and welcome back to my channel. So today is How To Wednesday, and I'm going to show you how to use a colorless blender. Now, previously, I've been using my Copic markers more often now, and I got curious into what a colorless blender is. So I figured out my own technique on how I use them. The way I use them is I can brighten the color. So say if you have a marker, like a blue, a really dark blue, and you wanted to lighten up the marker instead of using another light marker, you can actually lighten it up with the colorless blender. Another technique I also learned is how to blend similar colors together, like a dark red with a light red, and fuse them together to create one. Now, let's look at what the colorless marker looks like. So this one's from Copic. Now, Prisma has one. What other brand has one? Reed Collections has their own colorless blender. I have those too, and I bought the Copic marker one. So here you go, guys. This is the Copic colorless blender. It's in 0. It has 2 tips. So this one's the brush right here, and the other one is a chisel tip, which is a broad tip right here. Now, the one I use most is the brush. I always like the markers that have the brush end on it, so I definitely gonna go towards that type of tip. So let's get to the video and show you samples of what you can do with the colorless blender. So let's get to it. So first things first is you actually have to have your drawing here. So I lightly sketched it out with my Staedtler blue pencil, and it's supposed to be light drawing when you use those type of pencils. And then the next thing is you have to pick out your markers. So all these are all Copic. I have the Copic sketch, and I have the Copic chow, and all in different shades of purple. Over here I tested them out just to see which one would go well with my design and when I blend with the colorless blender. Alright, so first things first, you want to grab the lightest in your the markers that you've selected. So I have selected this light purple in VO1, and I'm going to use the brush tip. Oh shit, my bad. And just gonna color. There you go, guys. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to the head. So slowly and steady, we'll get to where we want to be. So you're gonna take the V05 and you're gonna go in. Same thing with the hand. With the head, I mean. Alright, here you go. Oh, I don't know if that caught on camera. Now you're gonna go back and same thing. Now we're gonna do the eyes. With the eyes, same thing. You're gonna start light and then go in dark. Blend, 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 guys. So let's speed this. Let's speed this up. Now I'm gonna show you how to make it lighter. Oops. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the pink or the purple lighter. Like I said, I use the Colorless Blender to blend two colors together, or I could make it a lighter, make one marker lighter. As you can see, it is making lighter. And I'm gonna go in with the darker marker. Go in with my Colorless Blender to blend it. And then I'm gonna go with the VO1 to blend everything together. See how nice that blended? It's really nice. I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna go in with the outlining. So let's speed that up. Hope you guys like this video. Hope it actually teaches you how to use a Colorless Blender, and if you guys have a better technique than mine, share it down below. Let the other artists learn from you. I hope you guys like this video. Until next time, Friday, we're gonna be reviewing another cool thing. All right, Zuki's out.